Okay, this video is going to talk about how we're going to take this file, save it, but we want to build on it, but not change what we originally had. So basically making a copy. So we could build on it, but keep the original as is. So right now I just have, let's talk about what I have currently. Very simple. When I tap the space bar, we have this guy here, this sprite, moving to negative 240 and negative 72. So negative 240 on the X is going to take me right to the edge on the left. And negative 72 is just going to be down here, obviously, to keep it just below a little bit, but not too high up to be distracted in this background. So let's just see how this looks. So I have a couple of options. I can just double click on the coding itself or actually press the space bar. And we see him jump to this position. Okay. Well, that's what happens when you say go to X and Y. It's going to basically teleport or go really quickly to that position. Then there's a difference. There's this glide option. Now, if I were to do a glide, and if I just double click on this and you'll see what happens, it's taking you to that X and Y position, but at a much slower rate. Okay, so we can see glide at 1 second, and you can alter that so he goes slower or faster. So I'm going to add this to my code. And that way, when I press the space bar, and he can go from beginning to end. So let's say at this point, I want to leave it like this, and then I want to build on it. So maybe he loops going back and forth, whatever the idea is. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to call this project 1 and file save now. So just keep in mind, as we are working, it is automatically saving always, and it's always good to have a title, but I just did it now and press file now, so that way when I go to my next stage, I know that we're all good to go. So another option is save as a copy. So you'll even see now my title, project 1 copy, and if I go to my folder here, under my stuff, I will see project 1 and project 1 copy. So I can go back in there. I can call it now, let's say project 2, and build on to the coding that I want. But this is a great way of keeping when things are working the way you like it, save it, call it something appropriate, make a copy of it, and then build on it to make it a little more complex.